Good day. Today I will show you how to connect the solenoid valve into the water controller. Our water controller has a brand of Galcon. This water controller has a common terminal and the station terminal. And we have here two solenoid valve. Each solenoid valve has two wires. You must get each valve one wire to connect each other. Make sure that it will fix properly in order to avoid disconnection of wires. Then these two wires must be connected in the common terminal. And get the one wire and connect to the station 1. Then tighten up using the screwdriver. And the last wire must be connected into the station 2. Then fix properly to avoid disconnection of wires.